Hi everybody, Lois Threlkeld here with the Ladies of Justice League. We have our next episode, strategy number 4. What is real estate flipping?
What is flipping? So imagine you're on a mission to make houses look and feel awesome. First, you hunt for houses that need a little TLC, a little tender loving care, ones that might look a bit tired or dated. You're like a detective searching for hidden treasures. Once you find a house that has potential, it's makeover time. You might fix up things like creaky floors, sad walls, maybe old-fashioned kitchens. Think of it as giving the house a stylish new outfit. The goal is to make it so pretty and comfy that people can't resist falling in love with it. When the house is all decked out and looking fantastic, you put it up for sale. You hope it's like someone will walk in, see how amazing it is, and want to call it their own. Here's the cool part. If you've done everything right, you could end up selling it for more than you paid and the cost of fixing it up. But wait, there's a little challenge. Sometimes things don't go exactly as planned, and the renovations might end up costing more, or finding the perfect buyer might take longer. That's why it's important to be prepared and have some backup plans. Plan A, Plan B, Plan C. If this, we'll do that. Flipping houses is like being a mix of an artist and a business person. It's creative and exciting, but it also needs careful planning and a bit of luck. If you're up for the adventure and ready to learn, it can be a fun way to make homes and money look good together. Just remember, even in the friendliest makeover, surprises can still pop up. So stay flexible and happy investing. Make sure you visit ladiesofjusticeleague.com for more tips.
That's that one. Real estate flipping. Thanks for listening. I'm Lois Threlkeld. Please remember to comment on this, heart and like it. Like this video and share it. And talk to you soon. Take care.